Are you looking for some simple DIY updates that you can do to give your home a fresh start? Well, in this episode, I'll be sharing with you 5 of them. Welcome everyone to this episode of the AskJasonGelios show. I'm Jason Gelios, Michigan Realtor, and I got a really cool episode here. Somebody was actually asking me, what can I do to my home that is affordable without hiring a contractor to renovate bathrooms and kitchens and things like that? What can I do on my own, maybe in a day or a weekend, to give my home a fresh update, right? A fresh feel. And so I'm going to share with you 5 simple DIY projects. And this is this information comes from the National Association of Realtors. Really good information, okay? So before we dive into this though, I ask this of everyone that I meet, okay? Especially on my weekly show here. And that's if you can follow me on social media, those links are in the description. And visit my website, it's allabouttherealestate.com. You can fill out the pop-up form to receive a new one of these episodes in your email once a week. And of course, please share this with others that may find this information valuable, okay? So 5 simple DIY projects, okay? So first thing is, a bathroom should be the main focus, right? The kitchen, yes, of course, but the bathroom is very personal to homeowners. Okay, and so it's essentially a sanctuary for many people. And so what you can do is you can create like a spa-like atmosphere. Okay, add vintage rugs, art, decor, upgrade the space a little bit, maybe even change out the bathtub. I know that's kind of getting into renovating, but some people can do that on their own. But pretty much, you want it to feel, hey, think hotel bathrooms, right? A nice hotel and how they have the bathroom, and it just has like a spa feel, at least, again, if you're in a nice hotel, not a cheap one, okay? Another thing you can do, another tip is, or project is, you can actually bring the outside in. And I know I've talked about this before in other videos, but add elements of nature throughout the home. And this is fairly easy to do. Obviously, you can add plants, live plants, not the fake kind. You can incorporate natural wood tones. Again, plants can be used as accessories. You can also put some outdoor decor in the bathroom too. So just bring the outside into your home, throughout the home, right? In all the rooms. And imagine how much better the air will be, okay? Now, organization. I tell many people that organization is key. And if you're looking to sell a home, your home should look organized, especially closets, because home buyers will look at basic closet space to see if it's going to work for their storage needs. They're not being nosy. They open up the door and see, okay, there are shelves, or it's a walk-in closet, whatever it is. Can I put my stuff in here? And so you want to make your home look organized. And then if you're just a current homeowner and you want a nice project that will give your home a fresh update, okay, organize. So organize things like go in the pantry, organize snacks, organize supplies in a home office, or get rid of the junk drawer. I'm guilty. We have a junk drawer. Okay, I think every home has a junk drawer. I don't know why. It's a complete waste because it has junk, obviously. But organize things. The pantry should be the number 1 spot that you go to. Just organize, put cereal in plastic containers, organize snacks, little things like that. And turn storage into a decorative element. So I know you can go to these craft stores or even some major stores are now offering decorative, bins, baskets, tubs, all this stuff, okay, that you can actually kind of spruce up your clutter. So, okay. Another tip is, paint. Now, bright paint is almost always preferred. Brighter paint makes spaces look larger. That's why many new builds, actually every new home that I've been in where the builder was staging the home, it's a model and they're trying to sell others, they use light paint. They use light colors, and they don't have too many colors that, in this room, in that room, it's not all chopped up. It's one color throughout. Okay, now if you have kids, that's not going to work. I get it. Okay, but paint is always the first thought when you're looking to freshen up your home. Okay, paint can do wonders. You can paint over scratches, you can paint over all that stuff. Okay, now National Association of Realtors offers this tip about adding color to the ceiling, and this falls underneath the paint to brighten up the home project, and that's adding some color to the ceiling. Okay, so instead of just having a white ceiling, you can have lighter walls and then have it continue to the ceiling, or you can even do something different. Many high-end homes have decorative ceilings, okay, different color, and then the walls are lighter, things like that. And then there's some things, this is not an endorsement, but Sherwin-Williams has something called a paint called peppercorn, or even like a tricorn black. I'm personally not a fan of a dark ceiling like that, unless it's a huge room. Okay. Another tip is, and I don't know, maybe I'm going over 5. I think this is about 5. Okay. Take a room that is cold, treat it as a blank canvas, and turn it into a room that has personal touches. So if you have a den that's just kind of dismal and boring, you can add color to it. You can add decorative accessories. Think pillows, vases or vases, botanicals. Go to like a discount store and just pick up these accessories. I've been in discount stores and I've seen so many accessories that are just, they have lamps, they have all this stuff. You don't have to spend a lot of money. Artwork can be cheap. It doesn't have to be a famous artist, but add color to the room, okay? And even think about creating a wall with framed photographs that you've taken. And this is if you're staying in the home, if you're not selling it, because you want to depersonalize it if you're looking to sell. But if you're staying in the home, okay, for a while, take all the photos. I can tell you, my in-laws, they did something really cool. They had past photos of our family and cousins and everybody, and they had them made from some service. I forget what it is, but they were like square. They weren't really frames because it was actually printed on the square, and they had all these squares on the wall, and it was really cool. It looked neat, and it just gave the space a more warm. It had the family touch. The photos, and it was really cool to just look at that as we were in that room. So anyway, these are just 5 DIY projects that you can absolutely do on your own. Yes, you can do these on your own to freshen up your home. And so I hope you found this valuable. Go ahead and feel free to share your thoughts in the comments. What have you done with your home to make it feel more newer, more fresh, clean, whatever? Share your thoughts in the comments. And again, follow me on social media. Those links are in the description, as well as visit my website. It's allabouttherealestate.com. You fill out that pop-up form to receive a new episode in your email once a week. I'm Jason Gelios, Michigan Realtor, and I appreciate you watching.